Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to enable or disable network interface port in Linux. ifconfig runs at boot time to set up network interfaces and provides much information about the network interface. In this example, let us see how to bring up and down the interface using the ifconfig command. Run the following command to bring down the ETH0 interface in the system. Please remember to enter the interface name of your system, instead of ETH0 as mentioned in this example. As per the following output, the ETH0 interface is down. Next, please run the following command to bring up the ETH0 interface. Run the following command to bring down the network interface. Run the following command to bring up the network interface. Run the following command to bring down the network interface. Run the following command to bring up the network interface. Use the following command to disable network service. Use the following command to enable network service. To restart the network service, use the following command. NMTUI is a curses-based TUI application used for interacting with Network Manager. It allows us to easily configure the network interfaces on Linux systems using GUI. Run the following command to launch the NMTUI interface. Select Activate a connection and hit OK. Select the desired interface to activate and then hit the Activate button. For deactivation, please perform the same procedure.